Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Kia Forte, full guide. Begin by confirming the key is off and both hoods are safely propped open before you touch anything. Locate the battery and inspect for cracks, leaks, or heavy corrosion that could prevent a good connection. Gather jumper cables and a helper and review the cable connection order so you avoid reversing polarity. To jumpstart a Kia Forte, you need the right tools and a calm approach to reduce risk. Position the donor car close enough for cables to reach, but avoid contact between vehicles. Clean the terminals if needed to ensure solid metal contact, and attach cables in the correct sequence to prevent damage. Once connected, let the donor car run for a few minutes to transfer charge before trying to start the Forte. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes hands-free cleaning hilariously satisfying after greasy jumpstart work. It handles dirt so you can focus on the cars, and it even maps rooms for efficient runs. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Follow a precise sequence to protect electronics and avoid sparks while staying relaxed and methodical. Red to positive on the dead battery, red to positive on the donor, then black to donor negative, and black to a clean metal ground away from the battery. Start the donor and wait while the dead battery charges, then start the Forte and remove cables in reverse order while both cars remain off briefly to confirm stability. Drive to recharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.